I don't know why, but like that looks really nice to kick, and hopefully it like explodes or something, but I feel like it won't. But let's try it. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video today, and today we are doing a mulch job, cleaning out beds, cleaning out pots. So that's what we're doing today, and follow along and watch us complete this job. So one tip, after you guys get done spreading the mulch on the beds, get a rake of some sort and go back and kind of rake over it and level it out nice and easy, and I'll show you how it's done. Quick and simple, just like that. Get a rake. If it's something like this, maybe a smaller rake would work better, but nice and level now. So now to just clean up this mess we got and move on to the next bed. You see it? You see it? It's my lucky day. Look at that. A nice quarter, dude. Anyways, I'm just about done with this. He laid all the mulch, so then I just go spread it, and he's doing the same thing over there. I don't know why, but like that looks really nice to kick, and hopefully it like explodes or something, but I feel like it won't. But let's try it. Ow! That didn't really do crap. Well, that was a fail. What about this guy? Let's try him. Nope. First tree done. Looking good. He got that tree laid out, so let's go lay that mulch. Alrighty, so he laid all this. Time to spread it. Here's my wheelbarrow, extra mulch if needed. But we're gonna spread this now, so here we go. All complete. That's done. That's done. That's done. That is done. We have one bag left over. I'll go show you guys the other 2 mulch beds we did, and then we'll be out of here. So here's another mulch bed right here. And then we got this guy right here, from here over. So looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Alrighty, so we're done for the day. We were gonna start another project, but we're just waiting until Wednesday. I think it's gonna be nicer that day and not as windy. But I'm here with another guy, and he's doing a retaining wall, and I'm just kinda here watching, learning, and helping him. So I'll show you guys some clips. We're gonna hopefully get this concrete pad out. So here we go.